This is a little sneak peek of Phoebe's toe. This is the second toe, by the way.
Second toe.
Oh yeah, give it off.
I don't want to.
Oh. Out of 10?
Like 10 being bad?
This isn't even the real one. The broken one's there.
The broken one's
This
fine.
is the second one. Oh.
We rented tuks. This is our whip for today. He's not driving.
Driving.
How'd you guys?
Oh yeah, baby.
Hey!
Do you need like clutch control?
Yeah.
I reckon this was the coolest idea we've ever had. Yeah. Sometimes it's okay to be that goofy tourist. Guys, we don't know anyone.
We are heading to waterfall number 1. We got here in the tuk-tuk safe, but fuck, it was a mission. We like got stuck in the busiest part, probably like 200 people on the road, got stopped and then pretty much stood it and left the skiddy and got out of there. But yeah, we're going to waterfall 1. Hello.
Hello, didn't go the next.
On the way back?
Yeah, I'm gonna get one on the way back, hey.
Hello.
Oh, you can go down it. Abseil it. That is cool.
Oh. Oh. It might look easier than me.
What?
It might look easier than me. Oh, now we're waterfalling.
Great. Oh.
Phoebe's charging the way with a broken toe and tetanus big toe, leading the pack. Saying that, we're pretty much here. Oh fuck. Good. That took like 25 minutes to get down and we made it. Looks pretty hectic. Okay, that was so worth the hike. This is fucking mad. Look at that.
Get a float.
There's fish eating everywhere on me right now. Fuck. So nice. It's free to get in too. The water feels so good. You like it? Go under the thingy. Go get the John. Get under it. Go get the John. Get under. Get under, get under! camera the person who's going to spend the most money on this trip. No!
I just fell in. I'm passing the GoPro. Can't be now. Hang on. I'm passing the GoPro to someone who has too big a feet for their body and keeps destroying their toes. I don't think you could, Hello. I'm Phoebe and I'm passing the phone to the girl who always dresses like a lesbian. Charlotte! Charlotte, this is for you! When I get down there, go left. Who did you do?
Oh! He hit it! There's one rock over there. He hit the rock that we said don't hit.
There's no way! Oh! Should I push it?
Our tuk-tuks won't start. That's so fucked. So we're going to another waterfall.
I would know that they weren't pajamas.
Question of the day.
These are the most beautiful
Is
pants
Charlotte
I've ever
wearing
bought.
trackies or going out pants? Are they trackies or going out pants?
I want a day pants.
We've got our trackies on while we're going out.
Hi guys. I don't know whose camera this is, but yeah, my name's Rafiki and I'm from Antarctica. And I don't know, I just rocked up to this train station here. I don't know what I'm doing.